In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn an image into a frame in Canva. If you've ever tried to place a photo inside a circle, a letter shape, or another custom design in Canva, you've probably noticed that basic cropping only gets you so far. It can be frustrating when you want a clean, polished look, but can't quite get the image to fit the shape you have in mind. The good news is that Canva makes this much easier with its built-in frames feature. And once you know where to find it, the process is very simple. First, open your Canva project so you're working directly on the design where you want to add the framed image. From the Canva home screen, go to your recent designs and open your presentation, flyer, social post, or whatever file you're currently editing. This takes you into the main editing canvas where you can clearly see your layout and place the frame exactly where you want it. Next, move over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Elements. This is where Canva stores a huge collection of design assets, including shapes, stickers, lines, and of course, frames. Once the Elements panel opens, scroll down until you find the Frame section. Then click See All so you can browse the full collection. You'll notice that frames are easy to recognize because their thumbnails usually show a little landscape placeholder image inside them. Choose the shape that fits your design best and click it to add it to your canvas. Now it's time to place your image into that frame. Go to Uploads if you want to use your own photo, or browse Canva's Photos library if you'd rather choose an image from there. Click and hold the image you want, drag it over the frame on your canvas, and release it when the frame highlights. Canva will automatically snap the image into the frame and mask it to that shape instantly. If the photo doesn't look quite right after it drops in, don't worry. Just double click the framed image on the canvas. This opens the image positioning view so you can adjust what part of the photo is visible inside the frame. Drag the image to reposition it, and use the corner handles if you want to zoom in or out slightly. When you're happy with the placement, click anywhere outside the frame to apply the change. Before exporting, take a moment to make sure everything is aligned nicely on the page. Canva's guidelines can help you center the frame and keep your layout balanced. Once everything looks good, go to Share in the top right corner, click Download, choose PNG for high image quality, and then click Download again to save your finished design. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next